Okay, well, welcome back. I'm back at the bench here working on my small-scale group build for February 2024, the Airfix beach buggy. I built this a few years ago and I found another kit, so I'm building a second one. I knew this was an opened kit when I bought it. I got about half price on it. I was told it was missing the front windshield. I started this build about 2 weeks ago. I got all the engine put together, chassis and the floor pan. And then I found out that I'm also missing the front axle. So and then after that I stopped that. I got most of this done in one day, and then after that I had a couple of days doing other things around the house, and then I had a doctor's appointment. I got the shot for the pneumonia vaccine, and I don't know if it was a coincidence or the shot, but right after that, the same night, I got very sick with the flu and a bad cold. I had the flu for about 5 days. I still got a bit of congestion in my sinuses, but I'm going to try and get back to the bench. It's been about 2 weeks since I've done anything here. So now I have to, I saved some sprue to try and figure out how I can make a front axle for this thing, some way of attaching the front wheels anyway. And I've got the dash in. I put the dash in upside down so it would be left-hand drive instead of right-hand drive. I built this kit, as I say, a few years ago, and let me reach over here and get it. This one here, and if I'd have known at the time when I put the dash in, it comes with right-hand drive, of course, being British Airfix kit. I would have turned it around and just moved it the other way. And I've put the pedals on this side to just glue on. You don't see those probably anyway. So there's my first versions. I'm missing all this front windshield, the back roll bar here, and there's a piece of glass, clear. It goes in there as well. I'm missing that, which was fine. I can scratch build something, but I'm missing all this front axle here. So I have to come up with something just to attach all that stuff on the front. I do have the figures for it, and the wheels and tires and seats to go together yet, and I'm still trying to choose a color. So I'm hoping to get this done before the end of the month. It is a short month, but it is a leap year this year, which I hadn't realized till recently. So I get an extra day. Anyway, thanks for following along. Stay tuned, and I'll try to get some updates up as soon as possible. Okay, I'm back again with a quick update. I've been working on this bit today, and I was able to scratch build the front axle and attach the parts to it here. This piece here was missing, this front axle piece, so I just used some leftover sprue and cut it to length. I made a couple of these angle brackets here out of just a sheet styrene. Glued them on, attached the shock absorbers. I guess these are like A-arms, and the bumper guides here. And this is what I've got so far. I've got the engine in, I got the chassis done, the interior's done. There's the front axle and bumpers are all attached. I've got the wheels all together here. Like I said, I've got the body and the dash and steering wheel together. So just a matter of priming and painting everything now. I think I'm going to be doing this in black, and then I'll just touch up with some silver and different parts in that. The tires will be black, and then the rims will be silver. And I haven't decided what color the body's going to be yet. I'll probably do a darker color underneath, a gray or something, and then pick a body color. So we're slowly making progress. Coming along. It's ready for the paint booth now to get the primer on it. And I've got the figures over here, and the seats and the trunk cover ready to go in. It won't have a windshield or a roll bar. I'll have to look through my parts bin, see if I have anything I can use for that. I can just leave it off. I might put a piece of clear plastic on the front here to make a bit of a windshield, windbreak. So that should be easy enough to do once I get all the painting done and put together. So stay tuned. I'll have updates to follow. Once again, I'm back with the final video for today. I've got the chassis and the wheels and tires and the interior here done in flat black craft paint as a primer. I've got the figures, the body, both sides, the seats, and the trunk cover in Vallejo light gray primer. So let that dry, and then the next day I'll be able to start detail painting.